Hello everyone, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you a healthy and delicious recipe made with almonds, dates, brown sugar, and cocoa powder. This nutritious treat is packed with energy and is great for your overall health, especially for supporting strong bones. The best part is that it's very easy to make at home. Let's get started. First, take the almonds that have been soaked overnight and peel off the skins. Transfer them to a plate. Next, take some dates, remove the seeds, and place them in a bowl. Now stuff each date with one almond and arrange them on a plate. For the coating, place a pan on medium heat. Add brown sugar, cocoa powder, and a little water. Stir well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture becomes smooth and slightly thick. Turn off the heat and pour the mixture into a bowl. Let it cool for about 20 minutes. Now coat the stuffed dates with the chocolate mixture and place them in a tray. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes until they are set. Your healthy almond-stuffed chocolate dates are ready. Enjoy 2 to 3 pieces daily with a glass of lukewarm milk for a delicious and nutritious snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Your support and encouraging comments motivate me to create more healthy recipes for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.